Ever found yourself staring at a tempting street food stall or needing to pay for a ride, only to realize your GrabPay balance is staring back at you with a big, fat zero? Yeah, we've all been there. That moment of digital wallet dread. It's like that tiny, modern-day panic attack. You know, the one where you're mentally calculating if you have enough loose change, or if you should just dramatically walk away and pretend you never saw that delicious-looking something. But fear not, fellow GrabPay users. Today, we're diving deep into the magical, mystery-solving process of topping up your GrabPay card. No more awkward moments, no more missed opportunities. Just smooth, seamless transactions. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly understand why keeping your GrabPay card topped up is actually a pretty smart move. Think of it as your digital Swiss Army knife. It's not just for Grab rides or food deliveries. You can use it for online shopping, in-store purchases at participating merchants, and even pay your bills. It's basically your wallet, but on your phone. Okay, so how do we actually get money onto this digital powerhouse? It's surprisingly simple. First, fire up your Grab app. You know, the one with the green icon that's probably already living on your home screen. Once you're in, look for the payment or wallet section. It might be tucked away in a menu, or it might be right there on the main screen, depending on your app version. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option to top up or add funds. Tap that. This is your gateway to financial freedom, or at least, the freedom to buy that extra bubble tea. You'll be presented with a few options, and this is where you choose your preferred method. The most common way is to link your bank account. If you haven't done this already, you'll need to enter your bank details. Don't worry, Grab uses secure encryption, so your information is safe. Alternatively, you might see options for topping up via debit or credit card, or even through online banking services. Choose whichever method works best for you. Once you've selected your method, you'll need to enter the amount you want to top up. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum limits that might apply. Double-check the amount before you proceed. You wouldn't want to accidentally add way more than you intended, unless you're feeling particularly generous. After you've confirmed the amount, you'll likely need to authenticate the transaction. This might involve entering a one-time password, OTP, sent to your phone, or using your bank's mobile app for verification. Follow the prompts on the screen, and within a few seconds, your GrabPay balance should be updated. But here's a pro tip: consider setting up Auto Top-Up. This feature automatically adds funds to your GrabPay balance when it falls below a certain amount. It's like having a safety net for your digital wallet. No more last-minute scrambles. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to put money on your GrabPay card. It's quick, it's easy, and it's going to save you from those awkward, wallet-less moments. Remember, your GrabPay card is your digital sidekick, ready to help you navigate the modern world of transactions. Keep it loaded, and you'll be ready for anything. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.